not easy to be a manufacturer today. Companies face constant pressure over the whole value chain to innovate product and services, increase sales through deeper customer intimacy, and to operate more efficiently with fewer resources. Everything manufactured, from trains, planes, and automobiles to fashion and food, are affected by complex trends. Like Internet of Things and Industry 4.0, connectivity and sensors enable product and production accompanied by data-rich services, but with faster innovation driving shorter product life cycles. Traditional boundaries are gone. Markets are global, and the digital supply chain allows for source, make, and delivery processes adapted to compete anywhere in the world. What's more, products need to continue to evolve even after leaving the factory to stay ahead of the competition. Service updates, feature additions, and product accessorizing are driven by machine data, customer usage, and social media feedback. Given these challenges, it is easy to appreciate the important role data plays in every aspect of today's manufacturing. Problem is, manufacturers are drowning in data complexity. Modern data patterns are more complicated and more varied than ever. Analytics need to help everyone to see the whole story. The whole story helps companies transition their challenges into advantages. So, how is this best achieved? As a leader in visual analytics, Qlik allows users to reveal insights in complex data with speed. Let's look at how key data discovery features helps Qlik's manufacturing customers overcome the data challenges and see the whole story. Qlik is an analytics platform for anyone who wants to gain insights. Visualize the supply chain to drive efficiency and see big data generated from your products. The associative model allows to swiftly identify root causes to quality issues, identify new sales opportunities, or innovate products and services. Governed self-service analytics enables staff to act on quality-assured data and standardize KPIs, like in sales and service, to shape a unique customer brand and purchasing experience, independent of channel and market. So, what are the ultimate benefits? Qlik's visual analytics ensures manufacturers a shorter time to value, creating insight instead of wasting time on reports. It simplifies analytics of complex data, enabling people to act smart, allowing manufacturers to efficiently manage their global operations, driving millions in value. Contact Qlik to understand how we help manufacturers drive business change with data.